Something that happens a lot, especially when you're healing, is your habits evolve first and your self image takes longer. So if you're still thinking like the old you while acting like the new one, that's not self sabotage. That's just lag time. This is your reminder when your mindset hasn't caught up yet, that's not a sign you're stuck. It's a sign you're changing. Here are 3 mindset shifts to help you close the gap between who you were and who you're becoming. Shift 1. You've grown. Your brain just needs time to catch up. Your nervous system, your inner dialogue, your expectations, they're all based on who you used to be. But you're not that person anymore. Give yourself credit for the shift, even if your mind hasn't fully caught on. The actions are real. Your identity will catch up. Shift 2. Repetition rewires your self-image. It's not just one affirmation or one journaling session. It's daily reminders, consistent proof. Every time you show up differently, you're casting a vote for who you actually are now. The more you repeat it, the more your brain believes it. Shift 3. Confidence is a side effect of alignment. You don't need to wait to feel confident. When your habits, self-talk, and identity start pointing in the same direction, that's when confidence clicks in. Not because you forced it, but because you've earned it. Drop a brain emoji if your mindset is still catching up to your progress. And tell me, what's one new identity you're stepping into this week? Remember, we can share our journeys, but we should never compare them. Bye.